Hi guys, we are from Informatics Institute of Technology and I'm Nidhi.
And I'm Dahiru.
I'm Prabhu.
I'm Saubhagya.
Let me grab your attention to a recent incident happened in Birmingham. A mother and her 3-week-old baby were left distraught when the car they were sitting in was hijacked by two men. The 33-year-old woman was driven across Birmingham by the men who jumped into the BMW salon as she waited for her husband. The car with the mother and the baby was finally abandoned a mile or so down the road, and men escaped with the handbag, gravely injuring the mother and the child.
That incident implied the lack of effectiveness and the efficiency of current anti-theft measures for the vehicles. This has been a significant issue for about 2 decades. According to a report, it says the years between 1992 to 1996, an average of 49,000 car hijackings has been occurred only in United States. And also, the recent statistics shows that 35% increases each year worldwide. So it's a very huge problem that exists.
Our solution can be the answer for the problem, powered by an Arduino Uno controller with GSM Shield and GPS module interconnected with existing technology that is currently available for anti-theft measures. The cabin cameras and the rear view cameras also can be accessible with the Arduino controller, and combination of all integrated components can provide very advanced, foolproof yet affordable solution for security risks. Panic key functionality will provide vital solution for a hijack situation. Panic key, which is located inside the cabin in easily accessible yet hidden and secure location inside the vehicle, will help the users to call help in such scenarios. When the passenger or driver presses the key, Arduino controller connected to the key will be activated and send a message containing the GPS coordinates of the location of the vehicle and predefined message along with it with the help of the GSM Shield to context stored in the Arduino controller.
Shortwave remote controls and remote disabling won't work at long distance. And the current security systems are brand dependent, and they're so costly, and it is very important to have a crew to assist their system. All the cars can be tracked by insurance people who install GPS tracking inside their car. But it takes time, and anything can happen at that moment. So having all security systems and all security measures come in handy with the Windows mobile app is an impressive factor, and the panic key is something really new. Arduino is very simple piece of hardware in assemble level, and hacking it really soon. This is not only providing high secure anti-system to our vehicle. At the same time, we also can attract profit makers such as cellular service providers, even car manufacturers and insurance companies in order to market our product. And also, our target group is going to be the people who consider security as a major concern in their day-to-day life.
We would like to proceed with our idea by researching the vulnerabilities of the existing systems which are available in the market and improve our product in a way that the problem is addressed. We will be developing a Windows mobile phone application using C# in .NET architecture.